When we're talking about vocal tonality, it deals with the musicality of language. Music terminology is very precise, and some of it you can actually use for language as well, hence the term language musicality. You can speak a sequence of words fast or slow, more staccato or more legato, flowing, loud or soft, intense or relaxed, high or low pitched. You can apply different types of diction and articulation. You could have a loose kind of casual diction. You could be more precise and controlled with your diction. You could apply different tone colors to your voice. You could have a bright tone color versus a dark tone color. Have a nasal tone. You could have a hollow tone. You could have a pinch tone, a booming tone, a kind of breathy tone, phlegmy, guttural, buzzing tone, etc., etc., etc. Beyond that, there's several out-of-time categories also that can define your speech. Those would include pauses, non-verbals like grunts, yelps, just weird noises,